Okay. So when you have a simple past, you will write like the subject. Okay. The sentence will be subject, verb, and object. Okay. So subject में verb आएगा ed वाला. Second form, which we say V2. Okay. So second form. You have done the forms of the verbs. If you have done the forms of the verbs, raise your hand. Yes. So you all have an idea what it is. Okay. So here you will use the second form. Okay. Like first is watch. So second will be watched. So that is why I have written ed form plus ed form. That is your verb to plus object. So this is how you will find what it is. Another cues. Another cues which are easier to locate which sentence this is like, if it is written, this thing was done in the morning. Okay. Or it happened like, yeah, it happened yesterday. So something like, previous week. Okay. So these are also the cues which will tell you that it is a past tense, because past tense is an event or an action which was started in the past and which was finished in the past. Okay. So both the things happened in the past. It was started in the past and finished in the past. Okay. So you have to keep that in mind and see. Next. So go through the sentences. You have 10 sentences and identify which sentences are past tense. Unke aage there is a space given. So write down which sentences out of all these 10 sentences do you think are past tense, and how did you find it? How did you identify it? Okay. So I have given you the cues. Subject plus verb. Verb will come in V2 form. That is your past tense form. You have base verb, then past tense, then past participle. Okay. So past tense is V2. That means it will be ED. Okay. Like watch. Watch will become watched. Okay. Laugh. Laugh will become laugh. Like, these kind of verbs, it will be ED form. And then you can also have like, so please go through it and see if you can find few sentences which are past tense, which are based on this, you will find. Okay. Next is present tense, simple present. What do you think should be the way here in simple present? What do you think? How will you identify? So these are actions which are done on daily basis. Okay. Present tense is something you do every day, like they are done in daily basis. They happen regularly. These actions happen regularly. Daily. What happened? I would like to know what happened. Are you able to hear me, everyone? If you are able to hear me, raise your hand. If you are able to hear me, raise your hand. Okay, very good. And this, I think so, at the back of the sheet, you should write down. You should write
Coming.
You have no confusion. Okay?
Ma'am, voice is not coming. Fifth Dronacharya class.
Which class it is not coming? Dronacharya?
Ma'am, voice is not coming. Dronacharya class.
Okay, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Dronacharya. Rest all the classes can hear me except for Dronacharya. Dronacharya. Are you able to hear me now, everyone? All those classes who are able to hear me, raise your hand. Is Dronacharya also able to hear me? Not yet. Dronacharya, are you able to hear me, beta? Hello? Would you like to look at your side? Because here we have tried and I think so it's perfectly fine. So just take a look at your side. If something needs to be done. Okay. So first and foremost, when we'll come back to again to present tense. So when you come to simple present, it is something that happens regularly. For that, we use simple present for daily routines. Okay. Facts. Facts will never change. So they are also, and general truths. General truths are like, the sun rises like in the east and all this. So they are facts and general truths and all. So these things will always remain in simple present. So here, what is the way you do it? You will have subject. Here you will have subject plus verb. Which form of verb? Here V2 verb is used. Here V1. The base form of the verb. Okay. So this is the base form. That means base form means the first. So in simple present, you will use base form of the verb plus S or ES. Like here you are using ED, यहाँ पे S or ES add होगा. Okay. Rise. Like example, the sun rises. Rise होगा. So it will become rises. Okay. So we have added S. Watch होगा. तो यहाँ बन जाएगा watches. Okay. So ES add होगा. Clear? And when we do the table, it is the fifth form. V5. Okay. It is the fifth form of the verb. So that is how. Clear to everyone? So this is, you will go through this kind of thing and you will see where you can find out of these 10 sentences, you can find simple present. Okay. So you know how to find simple present, you know how to find simple past. So I would like you to do this right now and then we will come to simple future. Then we will come. Finish these two and then we will come to simple future. And note this down. Note this down at the back of your sheet for future reference. Okay? I will eat breakfast or something like that. So here you will use will and verb one. And verb one you will use as it is. Okay? Like eat. We did not use ate, we did not use eats. We will only will, with will, and we will always use the first form of the verb. So now in your mind, you have to keep three things. Here you use verb two. In present, you use verb one. but you add S or ES. Okay, we can also call it verb 5. Okay, then you use will and verb 1. So these are the three things if you will keep in your mind, you will be able to do everything. Next time when we do continuous, then we will do all the three continuous, then we will do perfect, and then we will do perfect continuous. And this is how we will be able to identify and make all these sentences. Now, how many of you are finding it easy to do this? Raise your hands. Very good. Perfect. I'm very happy. Most of you are like good with it. Okay. So when you finish this, I think so in 1 more minute you will be able to finish this, or you have already finished. I can see a lot of hands raised. How many of you have finished this? The first exercise, the identifying. Very good. I'll just wait for the others who have to catch up. Okay. I'll just give them one or more minute so that they can also finish and so that we can start with this. Clear. Okay, we can start with the first exercise. Identify the tense used in the following sentences. When you come to tell me, you will tell me how you identified it. Okay, I want to know that part also. When you will come, you will tell me what were the cues that told you it is something in the past or present or in the future. Okay, so I want you to tell me how you identified it. Okay, I watched a movie yesterday. I watched the movie yesterday. Okay, Arjun House, middle row, first bench. I watched the movie yesterday. There are two. Yes. Could you repeat, Bache? What is it? Simple past tense. Very good. But how did you find out it is simple past tense? What were the things you saw and you decided it was a simple past tense? Okay. One is who will tell this? Okay. From Aurora House. Thank you, beta. You have told it right. It is simple past tense. From Aurora House, I can see so many children eager to answer. Okay, middle row, fourth bench, there is a boy who's almost running out of the seat. Come back. Come. Tell me how you identified it. What did you do to identify it? What did you do? Yesterday that it is past. Yes, how do you find out it is past? There are two things. Okay, two things. First is the sentence says I watched. So watched is past tense, okay, of watch, and second is yesterday. So something that has already happened yesterday. So there are two cues here. Okay. So this is simple past. Very good. Everybody, all those who have got this correct, please raise your hand. Very good. Yes. Next one. Next. She will come in the afternoon. Which one? Where does will come? She will come. This action has not happened. Okay. Bharat Ratna. Bharat Ratna. Okay. Middle row, first bench. One of you can tell me how you found out, and one of you can tell me what it is. Simple future. Simple future. How do you know it is simple future? Will come. Will come. Very good. So will and the first form of the word come. Okay. So will come. This has not happened. Okay. So will come. That is why it is I will come in the afternoon. So this action has not happened. It is going to happen in the future. Very good. Next, I scored good marks in the exam. Booker House, again, the road towards the wall. I want the last two boys. The last two boys. Yes. Both of you come out. I scored good marks in the exam. You have to think in your head. Both the boys, I said, both of you come out. Yes. I scored good marks in the exam.
Simple past.
Simple past. Okay. How do you know it is simple past?
I scored.
Scored. Yes. So that is the second score, scored. Okay. And what is in the exam? That is already. You will score if the exam is over. Okay. Otherwise, it would have been I will score, like making a prediction. Okay. Or an intention. Yes. Next. Very good. I want to be a scientist. I want to be a scientist. Okay. Bharat Ratna, I think so the whole class has to come out. Okay, I can see this girl sitting in the on the third row on my left. Yes, first bench. Come. I can also call out some names. I want to be a scientist. Very good. Okay, it is present tense and it is the first form of the verb. Okay, so it is the first form of the verb. Want. Agar second hota wanted. So it is a intention line. Okay. Next. She enjoys reading. She enjoys reading. Okay, again Bharat Ratna. I can see so many children. The whole class has raised their hands. Okay, towards the wall, two boys. Okay, third bench, I think so. Yes, both of you come out. She enjoys reading. Sorry, she enjoys reading. Very good. See, we have present tense mein, either you will have this form, like, verb 1 plus S plus ES, or it is also known as verb 5. Okay, next. What will you do tomorrow? I think so everybody knows this answer. Okay, Dronacharya, towards the wall, third bench, I can see a hand raised. There's so many hands raised. Yes, third bench. Okay, set. Yes, come out. What will you do tomorrow? What will you do tomorrow? Quick. But it don't take so long. This is simple future tense. Okay, tomorrow. And what will? Will has also come. So asking when will this action going to happen? What will you do tomorrow? So it is future tense. Last night, I fell down the stair. Last night, I fell down the stair. Okay. Emmy, House. From the Emmy class, I want Yogesh and Sahaj, please. We don't have Emmy today. Okay. From Abel, I want all the hands which are raised. I want from the row towards my left. I want that girl and there is a boy behind her, both of them. Yes. Yes, the girl who turned back. Come. And also the boy who is behind you. Both of you come. What will you do tomorrow? Sorry, last night I fell down the stairs. Last night I fell down the stairs. What is it? Please. Yes, I was unable to hear you. Could you repeat, beta? Last, it is
Simple past.
very good because it was last night and fall is fell. Okay, so fall, the second verb is fell. So it is, if you see the structure also, and otherwise you have to just understand it. Very good. Next is, don't worry, I will help you solve the problem. Okay, I can see a lot of hands raised from Dronacharya house. Okay, Dronacharya, middle row, first bench. Middle row, first bench. What do you think it is?
Simple future.
Yes. And how do you know? I,
And with the help of will.
yes. So Will has come here, and so you know this is, and I will help you solve the problem. Okay. So agar present hota to it would have been a different thing. Now next is, we live in a big house. We live in a big house. Okay. Bharat Ratna, that boy who just came out of his chair. Yes, come. Towards the window. Yes. We live in a big house. We live in a big house.
Simple present.
Yes, because at present also we are living. Okay, it's a fact. Rima doesn't speak French. Rima does not speak French. Okay, it's a fact. So facts are, I can see in Booker house there is a girl in the middle row who's already standing up. Come out. Yes, Booker house middle row. Right. Rima does not speak French or doesn't speak French. Both are same. It is only a contraction. Okay. Simple. Very good. Simple present. So very good. All the sentences everybody has done, and I think so most everybody has got them right. Anyone who got all those who got all the sentences right, raise your hands. All the sentences. Very nice. Clap. Okay, a big round of applause. Anyone who got one, all those who got one wrong, one wrong. And you have, if you got one wrong, you have to see where you, like, misunderstood things, and then you have to work on it, and you have to make things much more clearer. Okay, so you can ask me or you can ask your friends, and then we can, like, work, but don't keep it. Okay, if you got one wrong, you should question why you got that wrong. Okay, so I'm sure you people have done very well. Now come to the next exercise and start doing this. This is a little more challenging. I will watch that film. Okay, I will watch that film. First thing in your head, it is a future tense. I will. And what will be the past tense of this sentence? Oh my God, Arjun House, I can see your hand raised. Yes, middle row. Oh my God, everybody's jumping. Very nice. So eager. Dronacharya House, there is a girl in green t-shirt in the corner row towards my, come out. She's been so eager to answer. Yes. Sorry, children, I can't give everybody a chance, but I love it. I love it when you all raise your hand and you're so eager to answer. Big round of applause for all of you. Yes. I will watch that film. I could not understand better. I will watch that film will become, when you have to put it into simple past. Repeat, bache. I will watch the film. What will it become in simple past? Excuse me, ma'am. I am unable to hear you. Could you repeat?
Ma'am,
Yes.
actually, six original cameras are setting are not okay. Please check it.
What?
Ma'am, camera setting of camera section.
I am unable to understand what's happening. Could you please repeat? Could you please repeat? Okay, I will watch that film. I want from Yogesh to come. From Emmy. There is no Yogesh from Emmy house. Aurora house, I want Takdeer come out for this. Yes, Takdeer, could you please say, I will watch the film. You have to change it into past tense. I watched the film. Okay, I watched that film. Okay, watched that film. So it you will watch will change into watched. Clear, everyone? How many of you got this right? How many of you got this right? Very good. That means your basics are very clear. That means the concept is very clear, and that is what we need. Okay? Very good. Perfect. Next question. Next sentence. He was my best friend. So he was, now we want change it into simple present. He was my best friend. So what is going to change here? Yes. Bharat Ratna, middle row, second bench. Middle row, second bench. Yes. He was my best friend, but now you want it into simple present. So he,
That he is.
very good. He is my best friend. Okay. He is. That means, see, you have to change only the verb forms. And little bit here. Next. Next is, she did not allow me to enter her room. Did not. It is a negative distinct statement. Did not allow me to enter her room. Okay. Aurora house, last bench. She did not allow me to enter her room. Now you have to make it into simple present. So follow this rule.
He doesn't allow me to enter the room.
She does not or she doesn't. Both are right. Okay. Because does not cut doesn't is a contraction. Okay. So she does not allow me or she doesn't allow me to enter her room. We finished the job in 2 hours. We finished the job in 2 hours. Simple future. Simple future. Okay. From Arjun house, the road towards the wall, second last bench. Second last bench. Yes. Yes. You people are really good at following instructions. Very nice. Yes. We simple future. We finished the job in 2 hours. Good. We will finish the job. Will and finish is verb 1. Perfect. Very nice. Next. She will recognize me instantly. She will recognize me instantly. Okay. Booker House, very eager to answer. Okay, first bench. First bench. The row towards the windows. The row towards the windows. And this is simple past. She will recognize. She,
He recognized me instantly.
she recognized me instantly. Okay, she recognized. So you will recognize her, you will put this form of the verb. Very good. Next is they had lunch at 2 p.m. They had lunch and you will change it into simple future. Oh my God, Bharat Ratna, I don't know whom to call. Okay, this side there is a girl sitting on the third bench or second. Bharat Ratna, uh, the road towards the window. The road towards the window. Okay, aisle seat, the girl with the aisle seat. Okay, okay, there is a boy in the red t-shirt. Do come. Emmy has come now. Okay, one of you can come and quickly answer it. They will have lunch at 2 p.m. They will have lunch at 2 p.m. Okay, perfect. So you have answered. How many of you got all right? All your sentences are correct. Big round of applause. Very nice, very nice. Well done, well done. I hope all these three things are clearer to you. If you have made a mistake, you should look into it. Okay? You want to ask me, you can ask. Yes, you can ask. Yes.
And it's 6% have will come.
मुझे बेटा
And it's 6% have will come.
लगाना है. Okay? ये simple है, इसमें नहीं लगाना है. When we will come to a perfect tenses, then we will. Okay? Then we will put have. So that is it. That is why we did only the simple ones. So you know exactly what to do. Next time we will do simple continuous, present and simple past continuous, present continuous, future continuous. Then we will do perfect in all in three. Then we will do continuous, perfect, continuous. Okay, so that you do not get confused. Okay, you do not get confused because almost the basic rule for all will be the same. And if we do one thing at a time, I think so it is going to be much more beneficial. You'll be able to understand things. The clarity will be better. And I'm sure today you all had a good time because most of you have done a great job. So a big round of applause for all of you. Very good. I'm very happy today. Clap for yourself. We should clap for ourselves at times when we do a good job. Okay. So any queries, any questions you want to know or you want to ask me regarding these? What? बेटा फिर से बोलो मुझे आपकी आवाज समझ नहीं आ रही. What?
Ma'am, the students of class Arjuna, they are saying that please check the camera settings, that the camera is showing the upside, means roof side.
Okay. So, okay.
6 Arjuna.
उनके कैमरा सेटिंग ठीक नहीं थी. Okay. Okay. अर्जुन हाँ इसमें इसको करो तो now it is better. And I want all of you to note down this because this is the basic rule which all of you should know. So if you have not noted it down, you can turn your worksheet and it is blank at the back. You can note down all. Okay. So that for future reference, sometimes if it skips your mind or you want to refresh your memory, you can go back to this and just look at it. So it will be much more simpler. Okay, thank you, children. Now I'll hand over the class to your science teacher and hope you all had a good time today.